Hey, what's up everybody? Keyframes here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have 5 tips of the After Effects. As you are After Effects user, I think this one they may save your time, they may help you when you are editing stuff. Okay, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. For more information, notification or stuff like that, click that bell button. Without further ado, let's jump in After Effects and you see how these 5 tips they can help us in our editing stuff. Alright, we are in After Effects right here. Tip number 1. Let's say you want to create a very simple shape layer. Let me create a shape layer right here. I created a shape layer, but you see the anchor point? It's exactly at the center of the composition. But I don't want this to be like that. I want to create a shape layer when this anchor point it is in the middle of the shape layer. Easy. How are we going to solve that? Let me get rid of this shape layer. I'm going to Effects all over here, Effect Options, go to Preferences, go to the General, click General, go to down right here, there is a box and check the here, center anchor point in a new shape layer. Just click it, very easy. Click it, okay, come on, create your shape layer and you see the anchor point is at the middle. Boom, that is the tip number 1. Let's jump into tip number 2. It's a keyframe. Let's say you have this animation. It's very fast, but I don't want that one to be like that. I want to extend these keyframes. It's easy. I know there is a couple of ways you guys can use it, but I have time saver right here. What I'm going to do is just select all keyframes and then press Option in your keyboard. Go to the last keyframe, just drag it all over there, and when you let it go, just check it out. When you place, everything's ring calm. That's how to stretch all the keyframe at the same time. That is the tip number 2. Tip number 3, text. Let's say I have a simple text animation right here. Let's say I don't want the feel of this text, I just want to have only strokes. How am I going to do it? There is a lot of ways, but this one I think is easy and very time saving. Select the layer, go to character panel right here. Do you see this? The front color is fill and the down color is stroke. I don't want a fill color, I want stroke. What am I going to do? You see the small box down here with the red line over there? Just click it here and you see, boom, easy. You've already achieved that text you want. That is tip number 3. Tip number 4. Let's say I have created this composition with the dimension. Just create the normal composition, but after creating your stuffs, you don't want the whole composition to work with in another composition. You just want the portion, or you want to change the dimension of the composition. You don't want the whole space, you just want to create a dimension of this composition as the same as the layer you created. How are you going to do that? Go to the selective tools, go to this box right here called region of the interest, click it, select. It's like you are making masking of the layer, but it's not that true. You see, this is the dimension of the composition I want, and to crop this dimension, go to the composition all the way, crop to the region of interest, crop. Just select it and boom, you already crop your composition. That is the tip number 4. Tip number 5 is blending mode. I have two layers right here. I want to change the blending mode of the first layer right here. Okay, you may open here the blending mode, find the blending mode, test all over them one after another, but you wasting your time for no reason. The simple thing here is just select the layer, then press shift in your keyboard and find minus sign or plus sign. Keep on tap the sign, whether it's the positive or negative sign, and you will be keep on changing that blending mode. Easy. Wow, how helpful is that? Thank you very much for being there. Please don't forget to subscribe for more informative tutorial like this, please. And if you find this tutorial is very helpful, click that like button, thumb up, comment anything, tell me something. Thank you for being there for me. See you next time. Boom.